Tēnā koutou katoa, mō atarau. If it's the morning when you're watching this clip, mō atarau. Hey, kai te pē he te āhua o te huarere I tēnei rā. Kai te kōmaru. Kōmaru, overcast. Kārawe, ehara ite, he aha tēnā. You may recall a few clips ago we spoke of the he sentence structure with regards to describing things. He pene tēnei. He tūru pango tēnei. He puka puka tēnā. He pikitia tērā. Let's negate those. So let's say you're standing outside with your mate and you look up and you see a plane and you say, "Oh, he wakarere rangi tērā." That's a plane. And your mate says, "Man, you need to see Specsavers. That's not a plane, that's a helicopter." That's what we're going to focus on. The negation. That's not a plane. Ka pai? Now this is fun because you can do this practically, and we're going to do it practically right here and right now, and I'm going to join in with you. What I want you to do is point at the wall. Point at the wall right now. And we're going to call the wall a window. Now these seem so far-fetched, don't they? But they're going to sink into the pīnati. So, I'm going to look at that wall and I'm going to say, he matapihi tēnā. That is a window. Keep pointing. He matapihi tēnā. But it's not, it's a wall. So let's negate that using the ehara sentence structure. He matapihi tēnā. Kao. Ehara tēnā I te matapihi. That is not a window. He pakitara tēnā. That is a wall. Hang in there, we're going to give another example. Around you there may be a picture on the wall. I want you to point at it. In fact, I'm going to get this one out right now. And, once again, a crazy example, but it might sink in. We're going to point at the picture, so point at the picture now. And I'm going to call that a tiwi. E pauwaka whakaata, tiwi rānei kai te pai. Tiwi, television. He tiwi tēnā. Kao. Kao. E hara tēnā I te tiwi. He pikitia tēnā. Ne, it's a picture. Or, he pikitia ke. Ke. Actually. Let's go to some examples now. Alrighty, to hit this home, we're going to get out Te Wahapu by Ian Cormack. Fantastic puka puka. He puka puka pai tēnei. Let's look at the positive statement side, and we're going to use that wakarererangi example that I used at the start of this clip. Look at the first line. That is a plane. He wakarererangi tērā. Head over to the negative statement. Let's negate that. E hara tērā I te wakarererangi. So we've brought the tērā forward, started with e hara, and we've changed the he to an ite. It's actually not that complicated when you break it down and when you keep practicing. Or if we go tahi rua toru whā, 4 down, on the positive side. He tamariki raua. They are children. Let's negate that. E hara raua I te tamariki. Starting to make sense? Let's have some more examples. Let's change our tone and turn it into a question. He rōpere tēnā? Kao, e hara tēnā I te rōpere, he remana ke. He remana tērā? E hara tērā I te remana, he pītoa ke. He pahikara tērā? E hara tērā I te pahikara, he kuta ke. Righty, the challenge. Te wero. I'm even going to underline it, and it's all in capitals. That means we're going to do it. What I want us to do, me included, this week we've got 7 days. Walk into every single room of your house, and I want you once in every room to negate something and make them far-fetched examples. He puka puka tēnei. E hara tēnei I te puka puka, he rorohiko ke. You got that? Te wero, the challenge. Araiti e hoa mā, karawhiua, kia pai tō wiki, karawe.